Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget can track recurring bills. Managing fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and subscriptions is vital for any personal finance strategy, and knowing how your budgeting app handles them makes all the difference. Goodbudget allows you to track and manage recurring bills using its scheduled transactions feature. Whether you are using the web version, an Android device, or an iPhone, you can set up transactions to repeat automatically at specific intervals. This means you do not have to manually input your monthly utility bill or streaming subscription every single time it comes due. To set this up, you create a transaction and select the option to schedule it. You can choose the frequency of the recurrence, assign it to the appropriate envelope, and even opt to receive email reminders before the transaction posts. This proactive approach ensures that your digital envelopes are always prepared for upcoming liabilities without catching you off guard. In addition to manual scheduling, Goodbudget also offers features for automated bank syncing depending on your subscription tier. For users utilizing automatic import options, bank feeds bring in real-life transactions as they clear. To prevent duplicate entries between your pre-scheduled bills and your automatically imported bank data, Goodbudget provides a match tool that merges unconfirmed imported transactions with your scheduled entries. This keeps your envelope balances and account histories accurate and clean. Combining digital envelope budgeting with scheduled recurring transactions gives you a clear picture of your cash flow. By allocating funds to specific categories ahead of time and setting up reminders for fixed costs, you eliminate guesswork from your monthly financial routine. It bridges the gap between traditional envelope budgeting and modern digital convenience, making bill management straightforward and structured. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.